big haul here on AliExpress, you know. Hi beauties, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. Welcome. Bonjour, bonjour. Welcome guys. So I'm so excited to be here because it's been so long time, you know. So straight up to the video. My name is Marinette. If it's your first time, welcome. If it's not your first time, welcome back, you know. I would like to share with you some little story because, you know, I'm a person who always keep my nails nice. You know, I love my nails so much. I like having nails, you know, it's false nails, never mind. So I love nails so much. So I had my nail machine that was broken. So I didn't even have an idea, like out of nowhere, I'm like, oh, let me just go look for it. Because I had the good one, but I bought it like so expensive. I stayed with it. That machine lasts more than 10 years, the one that I had, you know. Even like when you're doing your nails, you know, to dry, it was getting like hot, you know. You couldn't even like, it didn't work like so perfect in the end. So I just wanted like, you know, to look for a new nail machine, and voila. I find this beautiful big haul here on AliExpress, you know. So here guys, I'm gonna open it with you guys to see what is inside, but I want to tell you something. I sneak already, you know, I sneak because, you know, I was like so excited, like this little girl, like I wanted to know what is inside. I couldn't wait for the video, so I sneak already inside, you know. Le collier était déjà déballé parce que j'étais impatient, je voulais découvrir ce qu'il y a dedans. So back on the video. So here I'm gonna show you guys what I have inside. So we're gonna see all together. You know, I cheated already, like I sneak already. So I'm gonna start showing you what I got so interested on AliExpress, you know. So first of all, we have this bag here with all those little things. So the good things, like what comes inside, like you have like this transparent false nails. You all know this is what I don't want to break it. You know, it's like well put. I don't want to break it. It's like, you know, to secure your fingers, your toes when you're doing the nails. Yeah, so you know, and I have like this beautiful file inside, and you have like you know, all my beauties. You know what's that for? You know, all girls. You know, oh, what's that? All my beauties. You know. So this is like I think like it's like those little diamonds. I think like it's to decorate your nails. I think, yeah. Those little diamonds that I have here, you can see it on my nails. I don't know if you can see. So it comes with a lot of them. So for different nail style, you know. And they give you also with this brush. I think it's like 3 little brush, like it's to draw on the nails. And you have like this for cuticle. And you have like this one. I don't know if you can see it. And you have like, you know, nail secure inside. And we have like, you know, those little drawing things. You can like add like those nail toppener and all this, like, you know. Some other things, to be honest with you guys, I have no clue is for what. Like I have no clue, you know. Yeah. So you have like those nails wipers, and the great thing, they give like a lot of them, you know. And you have like, again, nail wiper. This one is, I think, I do believe it's nail protector, you know. It's to protect your nails. I think so. I have no idea, but I think so. Oh, is it a plaster? What the heck will they give you plaster in case that you cut your finger? I don't know. Anyway, never mind, you know. And here you have like sorry. And here you have the glue, nail glue, all in this little pack, you know. We still coming, you know. You have like this one, like what I mentioned. I think they give me like I think those one, I think is like, I think it's 4 for right now. I'm seeing they give you 4 of them. What I'm seeing right now, this one, guys, maybe you can correct me. This one, maybe you can correct me. I don't know it's for what. I don't know. No, maybe you can correct me if someone know. If you have any idea what's the use of this, just leave the description. Just leave it in the description down below. You know, you can let me know it's for what, because I have no clue. I have no idea it's for what. You know, no idea. And you have like here, like those 3 nail filer inside. So excited, yeah. This one, I don't know what it is. Like, we're gonna open it together to see what it is. I don't know. Wow. I think this one, for me here, I don't know. Is it the, like, how do you call it? Like the liquid for acrylic, right? I think, and this one, because you know, my nail, like the way I mentioned, my nail machine I bought is like 10 years ago. So I have no ideas, you know, like everything's coming here. Please don't get me wrong. So I think it's that. And here, this is the little brush, you know, to brush your nails. It comes with a little brush. And this one, is here. I think it's gel. Yes, gel, acrylic. You have white gel. I think you have like a light, the clear gel. You have the white gel. You have like a in powder. You have like, you get 3 of them. 1, 2, 3 of them. That's why I say it's a good deal, right, guys? Did you believe it's a good deal, beauties? And these again, still have wipers, more wipers here. And this one is gonna come. I know this is for what? This is for my. Let me save it for the end. This one, okay? I'll save it for later. Thank you. So let's go to the. What's the next one? Okay, here I'm gonna take this second pack here. This one here, yes, you all know it's for what. This one is like, you know, it's for your foot, you know, for foot, like to control like the machine with your foot, like, you know, to add like tires, how much you want. And this one is my, this one here is the electric file. That's why I say I saved this for the end. It comes together with this, you know. I think I have like, they give me, how many, I'm sorry, guys. I have 6, it comes with 6 heads that you can change. And here is the machine, the file machine. I think just plug it here. You plug it, and then here we go. And here is the plugger. All right, so this is the electric file, nail filer, and then here, the good things. Oh, I think one fell. Inside here, I have like all these nail gel, you know, nail polish, the gel nail polish. It's a lot, guys, you know, it's a lot, like, you know, let's see, like, it's all the way there, like, you know, you can keep removing because I don't want to pull so hard, like, you know, I have a lot of them. Keep coming, you know, they put like a lot. I think I have like 40 nail polish, you know, nail gel. It comes with 40 nail gels. It's a kit, like, you know, it comes with like all that, like you have a lot, all the way it's heavy, you know. It's too heavy because there's like 40 nail gels inside, you know. That's such a good deal, guys. That's a good deal, you know. So here now, you have these ones. I don't know, I think it's like is the tape, like, is to help you draw the nails. Because to be honest with you, I just want to keep it 100% real with you guys. I'm not a person who like too much drawings on the nails. You know, maybe diamonds, those little diamonds, you know, I think for me that's okay, but I don't like too much draws. It's not like I hate it to people when they do it. It's just, to me, I like things like to keep it more plain, you know. I like having those plain stuff, you know. I'm not a drawer person, but why not? To try for you guys, why not, you know? And here, this big pack. So this one, I counted it wrong, so we got 5 of them, you know? 5 nail secure. You right? 5 nail secure. Okay, what's this? Oh yeah, this is the plugger. And this now is my machine, you know? The nail machine, you know, to dry. The dryer. Nail polish dryer machine. But the good thing with this, I don't know, I just think it's too light because mine was so heavy. Not too heavy, like, you know, compared to this one. I just think, I don't know, it just feels like it's so light, you know. And, you know, because mine was so heavy. I don't know, maybe because the new things, you know, things change. Maybe they want it more lighter, I think. But I love it so far, you know. I love it so far. I just did a good deal for me, you know. I love it. And for all those things that I had, you have like 40 nail gel, clear nail gel, and 40 nail polish, gel nail polish. I do believe, yeah. Here. You have like 40 nail gel polish inside, and you have like 3 nail gel powder, and you have like with all those things, like all of that cost me like less than $100. Yeah, it was less than $100. I think maybe something between 80 bucks. I don't know. So for me, this is the good deal, and why not? You know, especially when you had like, you know, those. With all this pandemic, you know, guys, like that's what's so hard, like especially for us women, you know, snatchy women, snatchy beauties, you know, just kidding, you know, like to keep yourself up because you couldn't go to the hairdresser, everything was closed, especially here in my country where I live, everything was closed, yeah, you know, it was all locked down. So like I had trouble, like, you know, to make your nails, but right now, like with all the, when I see all this, you know, my advice is one for you, all of you guys, like you need to have one for you beauties at home. You can learn this video on YouTube, how to learn. In the beginning it can be hard, but it's okay. With time you get better. It's like when you're learning to do makeup, you know. I do believe all of you have this experience with makeup in the beginning. You have like this weird makeup, you know. After practicing, you get better. It's the same thing also with nails. Like, you know, guys, listen, I'm not sponsored by AliExpress. I really have to mention it, but I just think it was a good deal for me. So maybe I'd like to share it with you guys. People who love to do their nails, people who want to be snatchy. Why not this video is for you? So that's it. I wanted to share, guys. And I would like to ask you more to suggest me more, like what you want me to do again, like which haul will you like me, like you can suggest me things, you know. We are working as a beauty team, so we are a team. So like you can give me your suggestion, you can leave it down in the description down below. Thank you so much. Merci à tous. Bye bye. See you on my next one.